I've just started my journey with AMAU and I feel overwhelmed with all the knowledge I want to gain and learn. It is all, inshallah ta'ala. What should I start with? Start with Shaykh Tim's class on Aqeedah. Shaykh Tim, Allah has blessed him subhanahu wa ta'ala with the ability of making things very easy. In a good, positive way, I'm jealous of him like that. Shaykh can take ma'lumat, knowledge, and simplify it. I struggle to do that. Struggle to take this information and be able to break it down in a way that the people can understand. Because I keep thinking, I need to mention this also, and I also need to mention this, and then what tends to happen is the person's looking at me and saying, what language are you talking? Whereas Shaykh Tim, Allah has given him the ability and the basira of taqdeem and ta'khir. Like this one, I don't want to do it now. And I've seen the way he prepares his notes. He's, mashallah, he spreads out the information over a period of time rather than giving the person everything all at once. So definitely give a high priority to the classes of Shaykh 𝗪𝗓 𝗪𝗪. Aqeedah he teaches, hadith he teaches also 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗪, the adab and akhlaq. Give importance, especially his Aqeedah one takes precedence over everything and anything, inshallah. So you'll benefit from that greatly. Once you realize and you start taking notes in Aqeedah, the ball starts rolling for you, then inshallah ta'ala, the other classes of his and also mine, you'll benefit some things from inshallah ta'ala. May Allah make it easy for you.